So today, all in-stream ad criteria has disappeared, and a lot of people are worried. They have been commenting on my YouTube channel, asking me what is going on, right? So I got this comment, and this guy was like, "My in-stream ad is 0 for 0 criteria. Why?" And this one said, "All the criteria that I met are gone this morning." So this person also said, "This morning I woke up, I no see my 60,000 minutes again. What should I do, please? Should I continue posting or?" Right? So I don't know if you watched the video I posted earlier before this particular one, right? In that video, I explained everything that is actually going on concerning Facebook monetization. So I think it's important that you should go and watch this video. The thumbnail I wrote, is it the end of in-stream ad, right? And even before the video, I also made several videos concerning the new Facebook monetization tools, right? You need to still go back and watch those videos for you to actually understand everything that is currently going on. I'm going to come back to the person that said, should we continue posting or, right? I'm going to answer that question. But before then, you're welcome to Grow Better, and this channel will teach people how to grow a social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimina, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. All right. So recently, Facebook introduced their new monetization program they called Facebook Content Monetization Beta. In this program, once you're invited, you will be able to earn from longer video, shorter video, picture, and text post, right? So it actually means that the program is combination of all the monetization formats. According to Facebook, they say that currently they are inviting people to that program till 2025. They have invited millions of people and still ready to invite more millions of people. So before this criteria disappeared, I made a video, this particular video, I said 4 things to expect when they finally activate that program. And that was one of the things I said that you guys should expect. It shouldn't be a surprise to the people that are actually watching my video, because we are already expecting them to take away that, because they say that currently it's strictly by invitation. So what Facebook is trying to do is that they're trying to be the one to invite you to their program, because a lot of people are applying for in-stream ad, and due to because the number of people applying for in-stream ad is too much and they are not able to review all these pages. That's why recently review were taking longer. All right, so they decided to create another program that will enable them to invite people who they feel that are qualified. So this time around is no more the time that you reach the criteria, or maybe you get 5,000 followers, 60,000 watch minutes and apply. So Facebook are going to look into your page and say, this guy is doing something right and he has engagement and he's qualified for our program, let's invite him. So basically what they are trying to do is that they are trying to control the number of people that will be able to monetize, because because of reaction video, a lot of people are using people's content to get monetized. So it increased the number of creators. Even people who are not creators are now monetizing people's content. That's why they stated in that article they released that you people should focus more on creating original content, because people that are creating original content are the people that they are going to be distributing their content more, in this particular program. So if you woke up this morning and you saw that all the 60,000 watch minutes you have been working for, or the 5,000 followers you have been working for, that they are no more, right? You shouldn't worry. They didn't take it away from your page because you did anything wrong. No, this is what they did to everybody, because they are trying to change the program. Even though they said it will be strictly by invitation from now to 2025, I know that even that 2025, they are still going to keep it that way, or maybe they will develop another way that will be more easier. So the advice I have for you guys is to go and fill the interest form. If you don't know how to fill the interest form, watch this video, and in the video description you will see a link that will lead you to a place where you are going to fill the interest form. What you are going to do there is just to tell Facebook that, yeah, I'm interested in this, your new program, and I would like you to invite me. And once they look into your page and you are doing everything right and they feel like you're qualified, they are going to invite you. So another thing you need to do after you have filled this interest form is for you to keep on posting original content. And for the people who are doing reaction video, I'm not saying you should panic, or I'm not saying that they are not going to monetize your page. They are going to monetize you, but this time around you need to add more value to those reaction video and keep posting every day. Stay consistent and build your audience. Do not panic. I know a lot of people are going to lose interest because they will be like, I'll be hustling for this 60,000 watch minutes. It's just many small to complete. Why? You don't need to lose interest, anything that made you to build that 60,000 watch minute to that level, actually you are going to be able to build your page to the extent that Facebook will see your page as a qualified page and invite you. So you guys shouldn't worry about anything. There is nothing wrong. You did not do anything wrong. This is because of the new program they introduced and they are working on it. Everything they are doing is for our own good. Just imagine you are invited to the program, you'll be able to earn from Reels, ads on Reel, and also earn from performance bonus, everything all together. So it's all for our good. So your main focus right now should be on creating high quality content. Do not panic. Just continue posting. Do not stop. All right, so it's important for you to subscribe to this channel, because in this channel I'm going to be sharing amazing content concerning this particular new program, and you can't afford to miss these videos. All right, so it's important, if you're new in this channel, for you to hit the like button, and if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you all for watching this video, and see you in my next video.